I hope you enjoyed the last video. So today I am back with my next video. Today also I will share a great resource. So let's dive in the video. So we are in the screen as you are guys watching. This is the GitHub repo named Leonardo. So this is the username and the GitHub repo named is 33 JS concepts. So we will be covering 33 top JS concepts. So if you are learning JS, then this will be very much helpful for you. Okay, coming down, this is whatever introduction is. You can read it. Okay, there are communities of different languages. If you are not into English, then just you can switch it to your own general language according to you. Okay, so these are the table of contents. We'll be covering out each and every one. So first our this is call stack. It consists of a reference of MDN. So it's just an article. You can read it out. I will not open. Okay, and these are the articles of different top articles. They have included. So just you can have a view and learn from this. I will open this thing. What is the JS event so called? So yeah, this opens in some other GitHub. Okay, so yeah, you can read it from here and learn about this topic. Okay, I will back. So these are the articles. Similarly, these are the YouTube videos. Okay, you can just have a check whatever you are suitable with. It may be article, it may be video. Just click that and learn from this. So it's will open a YouTube video of some YouTuber. So you can just have a check. Okay, just I'm not opening fully because it's taking time to open. Okay, I'm just getting down. It's the second point is primitive types. It's again consists of a MDM reference. You can just have a check. I'm just opening for you for once. What's the MDM docs like looks like? So yeah, this is something JavaScript data types and data structures MDN reference. You can learn from here, and including this is just a reference. Okay, including there are also articles and videos. So yeah, you can have a check there. These articles, there are many top quality articles are there. You can have a check. Just click out whatever you are suitable with, and similarly there are videos also. Okay, moving out, there are the third point, value types and reference types. Okay, similarly again this consists of articles and videos. Just click out whatever you are suitable with. Okay, now the fourth point is implicit, explicit, nominal structuring and duck typing. This includes articles and videos. In adding to it, this also includes a book where you can learn about this topic. I'm just opening out. So I guess this book is summarized or included in this GitHub repo. So you can just have a check. Okay, moving down, the fifth point is double equal to versus triple equal to versus type of. Similarly, these consists of basic articles and videos. You have a check. Sixth point is functional scope and block scope and SQL scope. This also includes a book. It may be an article. It may be a GitHub repo. Depends on whatever it is. Okay. So as you are watching, this book is summarized or this book is included in a GitHub repo chapter by chapter. So whatever topic you are just learning, just go here and you can have a watch. I'm getting back. Okay, moving out, this is the seventh post point. This is expression and statement, and this includes articles and videos. Similarly, IFE modules and namespaces. This also includes a bunch of articles and videos, quality articles and videos. So you can have a check of this. Then message queue and event loop. These also includes articles and videos. Just keeping in mind whatever this is included in here, these are the top notch articles and videos, and I am sure you can solve your doubt or you can understand the topic from here only. Okay, so moving out, 10th point, set timeout, set interval, request animation frame. Similarly, again, this consists of articles and videos, JavaScript engines, same, bitwise operators, same, DOM layout trees. This includes articles and videos, including a book. So here include this book of third edition, chapter 14. So in the chapter 14, they have included this topic. Just have a click and you can just watch out. Okay, so this consists of a type of block. So you can just have a look into read out this blog and just you can solve your doubt or just learn about this topic, right? Moving for factories and classes, 14th point. So again, this includes articles and videos. This call apply and bind. This point consists of reference of three reference because like individual reference. For this, I guess for call this is a MDN reference. For apply for MDN reference. For bind, I guess there is an MDN reference. For this there is not, but you can learn about this from the rest of the articles and videos. Okay, so there is lots of bunch of articles I'm looking it. So just you can have a watch, you can have a click, whatever you are suitable with. Just you can learn from these articles. Similarly from videos also. Okay, uh, moving down. This is 16th point, new constructor instance of and instances. It's only consists of articles. There is no video, but you can just learn about these topics from the articles only. Okay. So 17th point, this is prototype inheritance and prototype chain. Again, it consists of an MD reference, articles, lots of bunch of articles, lots of videos. You can just click one suitable according to you and just learn from these top resources, right? Also, it consists of a books. I would say it consists of a book. You know, don't know JS. First edition, these are object prototypes, so they have included the reference of the book. So it is sum up in a GitHub repo as usual. You can just have a check, right? So I'm getting back. Moving down, this is object create and object assign. There are both of the reference, like in individual reference, object create and object assign, and also articles and videos. I hope you can have a check. Map reduce filter. This so many articles are there. I mean, I'm just shocked. So many articles are there, so you can have a check, and I'm sure you can learn from each and every articles. These are top-notch valued articles, so just trust this thing. Okay. Again, it consists of a lot of videos. If you don't prefer articles, you can watch videos and learn from these videos. Okay. Moving down, this is 20 pure function site effects, state mutation, and event propagations. As usual, it consists of a lot of articles and videos. Closures, again, it consists of a reference. Closures, MDN reference is there, and also a JavaScript.info reference is also there. You can have a check, whatever suitable to you, and these consists of articles and videos. Again, moving down, it consists the 22nd point. It's high order functions. So it consists of a books, the Eloquent JavaScript book, and in the chapter 5 they have included high order functions. You can have a check. It must be consist in a blog, and as usual it consists of a blog. So you can read it from this blog. Okay, I'm getting back. As usual, this also includes articles and videos. You have a check. 23rd point, recursion. This only consists of articles and videos. Okay, these are many very important topic recursion. So you can just learn about this thing from the articles and videos. 27th, collections and generators. This as usual it consists of an MDN web docs reference and articles and videos. Promises a reference of MDN and articles and videos. I'm just not opening any article or video just because it will consist again of time, and I'm just not interested in wasting time. So you just have a check of these articles and videos and learn from these things, right? So 26th, async await. Okay, so this consists of a javascript.info reference and a book. So there is two books, Eloquent JavaScript 3rd edition, chapter 11. This consists of asynchronous programming. There async await is explained, so you can have a read of this blog. And yeah, I mean, this also included again a second book, Exploring JS Asynchronous Programming. You can have a check of this book also. Okay, so as this is seen something like this, so you can just have a read. Now this is so many books and sorry, so many articles and videos are also there. You can read from these things. 27, data structures. As usual, everyone knows it is a very much important topic, and there are bunch of articles and videos for this. 28, expensive operation and BIGO notation. Articles and videos are there. Algorithms, like including data structures, algorithms are also very much important. As usual, you can have a watch. The first point consists data structures and algorithms US ES6. So if you are learning JavaScript, do learn data structures and algorithms. They are very much important, and you can see like there are only articles for algorithms. Okay, so there is no videos, but I hope you can learn about algorithms from these articles only. 30th, inheritance, polymorphism, and code reuse. There are two references from MDN and JavaScript info. You can have a check, and articles and videos as usual. 31st, design patterns. As a software engineer, design patterns are very much important. So you can learn about this from a book named Learning JavaScript Design Pattern by Adi Osmani. You can just have a look. I am just clicking out, and it looks something like this. It's maybe a like website. I don't know much, but just you can have a spend time here and learn from qualified book. Like, oh really? So yeah, I mean, looking into it, I guess it's a top-notch book, and you can learn very good design patterns from here. Okay, so also there's a bunch of articles and videos as usual, so you can have a check. 32nd, partial applications and currying, compose and pipe. There's also included a book. You can have a check, and also in articles and videos, so you can learn from these things. 33rd, the last, clean code. You can learn about 33rd, clean code. So if you are a software engineer, it's a responsibility of everyone to write clean code, so that any other people also get to like understand your code. Okay, so for that, if you to learn writing clean code, there are a bunch of articles and videos here, so you can learn from these things. Okay, so as you have seen, this GitHub repo consists of 33 top-notch, most important JavaScript topics that you should know if you are learning JavaScript, right?
I hope you liked the video. If you do, share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.